Hi everyone, this is a video for expectation and reaction as intention for conversation system. Human intention can greatly affect the conversational strategies we use in daily dialogues. As shown in this example, people with different intentions can behave differently even under the same situation. Such variations in intention plays an important role in creating diverse responses when applied in conversation systems. The existing work focuses on generating response based on the ongoing context created by the dialogue history. Such a method ignores the ability of the intention to drive the dialogue behavior of the speaker. In this work, we research on an approach to generate a response from the intention. Our contributions in this work include we formulated the approach of using expectation and reaction to represent intention. We construct the dataset annotated with the expectation and reaction to support this type of research. We also construct the encoder-decoder model and perform the experiments to assess the effectiveness of our approach. There are several existing works focusing on solving the representation problem of intention in conversation systems. One approach is to represent intention as different types of attentions as in encoder-decoder system and variational memory system. The other method is to represent intention as latent variables, such as discrete latent variables and beliefs. In this work, we represent the intention as two specific types of dialogue acts: reaction, which is speaker's fine-grained dialogue act in current turn, and expectation, which is listener's expected dialogue act in the next turn. We then are able to use the difference between the expectation in turn t-1 and the reaction in turn t to show the effectiveness of the intention. We collected our dataset by performing re-annotation on Cornell movie dialogues corpus. In order to collect as much data as possible with less effort, we used a semi-supervised data labeling approach. More specifically speaking, we first manually label a small amount of data with expectation and reaction, and then we train classifier with annotated data. Then the classifier is used to classify the remaining of the data. The annotation schema of this kind of dataset contains different types of fine-grained dialogue act labels for both reaction and expectation, as shown in this figure. We then constructed the base encoder-decoder model as used in attention with intention model. However, we replaced the intention layer with a distance computation layer, where the difference of expectation in the next turn and the reaction in the current turn is used to calculate as L2 norm. The model is then trained with the dataset we have collected from the movie dialogue corpus. And finally, we evaluated the BLEU score and the perplexity, and then we compare the results with the baseline model of attention with intention model. So the results show that our model can generate a response with better BLEU score and less perplexity, which indicated a more human-like process of generating responses. In this work, we propose the approach of using different types of dialogue acts to represent the intention in the dialogue. We construct the dataset with expectation and reaction labels. We also propose a baseline model to generate response with the intention labels. And in the future, we will perform annotations on other datasets and improve the performance of labeling classification model. We will also work on better model to replace encoder-decoder model used in this work. And in that sense, transformers and some large-scale language models are promising candidates. Thank you so much for your listening.